explaining for 8th class children. In the last two videos onwards, I am teaching for the 8th class children only. So because one exercise I have started. In that exercise, today I am going to explaining an important question, that is question number 9. This question number 9 is one of the important question for 4 marks, and not only that, the students can be feel can be difficulty. So because a little bit some twists, logics like that there. So the confusion concept is there. That's why today I am going to explaining this question number 9, important for 4 marks. So please practice a lot with this question after listening this question answer. And not only that, so if you can like this video, please like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please give the support and share my videos to others. And if you want to, if you can say to your friends, so and so channel is there. So Ramarana Maths Tutorial channel is there. It is very useful for us. It's important videos they are sending. So if you can say for them, they will also will be subscribe my channel. So thank you. I hope that you are giving support. Already you are giving support. So more than this, I am hoping you will give. I am expecting from you. You can get I will get the support from you, right? Thank you. So we can see the question. What the question is? The area of square field is 5184 meters square. Then find the area of rectangular field. That is main question here. Find the area of the rectangular field. Please remember that one. Whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the rectangle and perimeter of the square both are equal. Okay, while you are reading time, we have to understand the question. That is important. And whose length is twice of its breadth. Whose length is twice of its breadth. Okay, please look at the blackboard side now. So what they have given, that is we have to take it first of all. So area of the square field, how much given? Area of the square field is equal to 5184 meters square. 5184 meters square. That is given area of the square field. So we know that area of the square formula, side into side is equal to 5184. So side into side means side is square is equal to 5184. Square becomes root. So then S is equal to square root of 5184. So its value we want to find out. Square root of 5184, it is one of the parameter square. Its value we want to find out by using long division method or by using prime factorization method. By using any one method we can find out, right? So I am finding by using long division method. So long division method, you know how to find out. So two lines, one group with these two numbers, one group, these two numbers, one group. We can keep like that, bars. 51 is nearby the parameter square 49. So 7 sevens are 49. Subtract these two numbers, keep the minus. 51 minus 49 is how much? 51 minus 49 is 2. 7 becomes 14. 7 becomes 14 double. That is like that we can take it. So and then take these two numbers, 284. It becomes 284 number. So here it is better to take 2. Here which number you have taken? By that same number only we have to multiply again. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. Okay, subtract, we will get 0. So therefore here write 2. Therefore that is equal to 72. So square root of 5184 is equal to 72. Like that we are getting answer. This is side of the square. After finding the side of the square, now we have to take the condition perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square is equal to perimeter of the rectangular. That condition you can now take it now. According to the sum, perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of sphere formula? 4 into side is equal to perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. Okay. 4 into side is 72. Side of the square is 72. Already got it right here. 2 into L plus B. Here length is comparing with breadth. Length is what they have to length is twice of its breadth. Length is twice of its breadth. That's why breadth you can say x means twice of its breadth means what about length of 2x. Okay. So here 2 table 4 2 times cancel. 2 table 4 2 times cancel because in 2 becomes by 2 we have to cancel the 4 2 times cancel. Okay. Next 2 into 72 is equal to 2x plus 3x 2x plus x 3x 2x plus x 3x by 3 table 72 how many times cancel? 3 2s are 6 3 4s are 12 24 times cancel 3 24s are 72 these two multiply 2 24s are 48. Okay, 48. This is the breadth of the rectangular field, breadth of the rectangle. Therefore breadth of the rectangle is equal to 48 meters. Breadth is equal to 48. Breadth of 48 means what about length? Length of the rectangle field is equal to 2 into 48. How much you will get? 2 48s are 96 meters. So what they are asking to find out finally? Find the area of the rectangle. Already we know the formula, area of the rectangle formula, length into breadth. Area of the rectangle A is equal to length into breadth. Length how much? Length 96, breadth is 48. Multiply 96 into 48. Shortcut method I will tell 96 into 48. With the shortcut I am finding these two product. 8 6 are 48. These two multiply. 8 to 9s are 72. 4 6 are 24. And these 4 also add 6 10 9 10 100 0 cancel right here. Again these two multiply. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 10 46. 36 plus 10 46. So how much you are getting? 4608 meter square. So whether it is right or wrong we can verify by using general division, general multiplication also, no problem. 8 6 are 48, 72, 76. 4 6 are 24, 4 cancel, 4 9s are 36 plus 2 38, 8 10 8 16 4 4 6 0 8, same, right? Okay students, this is one of the important question for 4 marks. Please practice all of you perfectly. Okay, if you can like this video, please like this video. Please subscribe my channel and write the comment your opinions in the comment box. And if you have any doubts are there, please write in the comment box. I will reply for your comment. Thank you.